All the details of Sony's new PlayStation 5 Pro gaming console have come to light, and this console has impressive enough features to take the gaming experience to another dimension. Let's check out the details. Graphics processing and performance. The PS5 Pro is a new console known by the codename Trinity. It increases the graphics processing power to 33.5 teraflops from the standard PS5's 10.28 teraflops. This means unlimited details and smooth performance in games. This console will work at 60 FPS in 4K resolution and will become the standard for many new productions. All the details of Sony's new PlayStation 5 Pro gaming console have come to light, and this console has impressive enough features to take the gaming experience to another dimension: ray tracing and visual quality. Thanks to the new generation of ray tracing technology, PS5 Pro is making a breakthrough in the gaming world. By offering 2 to 4 times faster processing capacity, it provides much closer to the real world and impressive visuals in games. PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution (PSSR) technology, on the other hand, improves the game graphics in 8K resolution in a spectacular way. Processor power and memory. The console supports processor performance with a special high CPU frequency mode that can increase up to 3.85 GHz. This in turn provides faster loading times and smooth gameplay in games. The memory speed has been increased to 576 GB/s, which means a significant performance increase in data transfer. Technology and support. The PS5 Pro includes DirectX 12 Ultimate technologies, and its new GPU offers hybrid MSAA support with variable ratio shading. Artificial intelligence-supported gaming experiences will be possible thanks to the special machine learning architecture and AI accelerator. In addition, developers are allowed to use 13.7 GB of RAM, offering unlimited creativity in the gaming world. Result: PlayStation 5 Pro comes with powerful features that will undoubtedly shape the future of the gaming world. It will continue to excite game enthusiasts with its graphics, performance, and technological innovations. In your opinion, we are wondering how this new console will have an impact on the gaming world. Don't forget to share your opinions and thoughts in the comments. Do this too.